How to transfer Apple Pay cash to a debit card or a bank. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Apple Wallet tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money out of your Apple Pay cash account to a debit card or a bank account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started with transferring Apple Pay cash to a debit card or bank account, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Wallet app on our iPhone. Once the Wallet app opens, scroll down and select Apple Cash. Now that we have Apple Cash open, go up to the top right, select the three dots with a circle, and then just select Transfer to Bank. So in here we can select how much we want to transfer out. I have $10. I'll transfer the full amount back to my bank and then select Next. You then need to select the method for transferring Apple Cash to your bank account or debit card. You can either select a debit card or you can add a bank account by selecting Add a Bank Account, entering the routing number and the account number for your bank account and select Next. Then select Transfer in the top right, and that money will be transferred from Apple Cash to your bank account or debit card. All right, so that's how you transfer Apple Cash to debit card or bank account. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Apple Wallet tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.